Hi guys, I got a request just to have a look at this question 7 here. This is question 7 on page, let me have a look, page 585, okay, page 585. So let's have a quick look at this. Now, we have an equation of a circle, and it's x minus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals 13. Calculate the coordinates, so we have to include both bits, the x and the y, of a and b, and the y-intercept. So a and b, we have to calculate or get that coordinate and that coordinate. Okay, so basically where the circle C, the pink circle, cuts the y-axis, okay, and the circle C, we're given the equation for the circle C. So let's write down that equation. It's x minus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared equals to 13. Now, where any circle or line cuts the y-axis, you have to let the x coordinate, the x part of the coordinate equal 0, as I explained in class the last day. So where x is, let's put that 0, and then we can figure out the y bit. So you're left with basically minus 2 squared, and we're going to have to multiply out this bracket, so let's just expand the brackets. So we get 4 here, plus y multiplied by y minus 1, and then minus 1 by y minus 1. Okay, so hopefully you're getting used to doing those, expanding the brackets. Okay, you've been doing them since junior cert. Y by y is y squared. Y by minus 1 is minus y, 1y. Minus 1 by y is minus 1y. And minus 1 by minus 1 plus 1. To start to tidy up things, first of all, bring that y squared to the front here. Okay, then you have minus 1y minus 1y, so that's minus 2y. You have that positive 4, so just bring it to the end here. You have the positive 1, which is already there. Bring over that 13, becomes a negative 13. Okay, tidying up those numbers at the end. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 minus 13 is minus 8. Now, that's our guide number there, minus 8. So two numbers that multiply to give minus 8 and combined to give you minus 2, that middle term there. So let's see, we have, this must be something to do with 2 and 4. One of them is going to be negative, one's going to be plus, so that when you multiply those two numbers, you get minus 8, and 2 minus 4 does give you minus 2, so that's fine. Okay. So we're left with, so it's y squared plus 2y minus 4y minus 8 equals 0. Take the first two terms. What's common there and there? Well, I can see the y is, so y into y squared goes y times, y into 2y goes 2 times. Then I see minus 4 will divide into both of these. So that cancels out, you're left with y minus divided by minus is a plus, 2 into 8 goes, 4 into 8 goes twice. So that's one factor. What's inside the brackets, y plus 2, and what's outside the brackets, y minus 4 is the other. So y is equals to minus 2, and y is equals to 4. Sorry if I'm rushing this, I am just under a bit of time pressure here, but if you want me to explain anything, please ask. Now the thing is though, I've underlined here that they want the coordinates, okay? They want the coordinates of a and b. So a was the top one there, so that must be, see where it says y equals 4 here, okay? That must be a, if we look back to our diagram here, okay? And the coordinate therefore is, so therefore, that's what those three dots mean. A is 0, because we said already up here x is 0, okay? And y is 4. And then b is the other, 0 minus 2. Done. I don't think that was a problem for the person who asked me this, okay? But anyway, that's it, done. Part 2, let's do that over here. Okay, if A and B are the end points of a diameter of the circle S, then find the equation of the circle. Now, You see, what they're asking here is find the equation of S. What's S? S is a circle. Okay, so let's look at that circle S there. They're telling us that A and B, that's the diameter of S. So if we can get the midpoint of that, well, then we'd have our center. And remember, to get the equation of any circle, you need the center and you need the length of the diameter. Well, remember, this point here for B is -2. We found that out in part 1. So that must be -1. Then we have 0. Then we have 1. And the length from A to B is 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's just go up 3 units, and that'll be our center. So 1, 2, 3. There's our center. That's the center of S. So let's write that down. Center of S is 0, 1. And the radius, well, it's 3 units because it's 1, 2, 3. That from there to there, that's 3 units. Okay, so that's our radius. So now we have our H, we have our K, we have our R. We use the formula y minus sorry. We use the formula y minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared. So y minus h is 0, plus y minus k, that's 1. The radius squared. Nearly done. Actually, they're squared, by the way. Because it's y minus 0, we can just end up here with just y squared. Okay, so this bit here, we just end up with y squared. Plus, we can leave this bracket as it is, equals 9. That's your answer for part 2. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Any questions, please email me or ask me in class, okay?